Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Solution. This is episode 11 of our Excel Beginner to Advanced series. In our last episode, we explored HLOOKUP and the modern XLOOKUP functions. But today we will learn a legendary access combo, index plus match. And remember, if you missed any of the early episodes, the complete playlist link is in the descriptions and pin comment. Make sure to watch it in order. Part 1, Why Index and Match. Now you might ask, why should I use index and match when we already have VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP? Here is the deal. VLOOKUP can only search left to right. Changing columns in VLOOKUP breaks your formula. XLOOKUP is amazing, but not available in older version of Excel. Index plus match works in all versions of Excel and gives you maximum flexibility. Part 2, Index functions. Index returns value of a cell inside a table based on a row and column numbers. Syntax is equal to index under bracket array, comma, row number, comma, under bracket column number. Example, if I write is equal to index under bracket a2 colon c10 comma 3 comma 2, Excel gives me the value from the third row, second column of that range. Part 3, Match functions. Match helps you find the positions of a value in a range. Syntax, if I write is equal to match under bracket apple comma a2 colon a10 comma 0, Excel returns the row number where apple is located. 0 means exact match. Part 4, Combining index plus match. Now comes the magic. When you combine index with match, you can look up values just like VLOOKUP, but with more power. Formula is equal to index under bracket c2 colon c10 comma match under bracket 102 comma a2 colon a10 comma 0. Match finds the row number of ID 102 in column A. Index uses that row to return the price from column C. Unlike VLOOKUP, this works even if the lookup column is on the right or left. No limitation. Part 5, Practical example. Imagine you have column A product ID, column B product name, column C price. If you want the price for a product ID, index plus match will fetch it instantly. And if you later rearrange columns, the formula still works, unlike VLOOKUP. Part 6, Pro tips. Always use 0 in match for exact match. Combine with named range to make formulas easier to read. Index plus match is super useful in financial models, reports, and dashboards. So in this episode, we mastered the index and match combo, one of the most flexible ways to look up values in Excel. In episode 12, we will step into the world of pivot tables, the ultimate tools for summarizing and analyze large data sets. You are going to love it. Don't forget, the link to complete Beginner to Advanced series is in the descriptions and pin comment. If you found this videos useful, hit like, subscribe to Data Solution and press bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in episode 12.